There is a saying that goes, fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me. During the 2016 campaign, two of the pillars of Donald Trump's campaign were that he was going to build a wall and make Mexico pay for it. We all know how well that turned out. And another of those pillars was that he was going to repeal and replace Obamacare with something that was better and cheaper. Actually, Obama said that he would support a plan if it was actually better and cheaper. The real problem with health care costs is that we pay too much for health care. Similar countries pay 10% of GNP for health care, and we pay about 18% of GNP for health care. Depending on which measurements you use, we do not do appreciably better than other countries. For example, Cuba has a relatively primitive medical system, and their life expectancies is the same as ours is. You can slice it up any way you want, but unless healthcare costs are contained, we're going to continue to have a healthcare insurance crisis. For example, the Democrats are promising to have Medicare for all. There have been cost estimates of that, what that would be, and lo and behold, if you multiply the GNP by 18%, that's exactly what the Medicare for all would cost. One good aspect of Obamacare is that it limits insurance companies so they have to pay out 80% of their premium dollars for health care. And no patient was ever cured by having an insurance executive get a bonus. For the first 2 years of his presidency, Donald Trump had the Republicans in control of both houses of Congress. Did he repeal and replace Obamacare? No. Did he try to repeal it? Yes. Did he even introduce a plan that would replace it? No. Donald Trump claimed that the Republican Party is going to become the party of health care. If you believe that, I have a nice bridge in Brooklyn that I would like to sell it to you for cheap. He started running for president in 2015. He recently tweeted that he will announce his health care plan after the 2020 election. A copy of those tweets is as follows. So for at least 5 years he was saying that he would have a better and cheaper plan, and it turns out that no such plan existed. If you want to see an advanced copy of what his plan is, it will be as follows. Healthcare insurance is an important issue to you. You should be greatly concerned as to whether Donald Trump will ever come up with a plan. If you vote for him again on the basis of health care, then shame on you.